right, go ahead. Yes. Not fast, just... Alright. See, it wasn't as bad as you thought it was going to be. I know. Let's see if you get how far you go. All right, go, 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 go. Got it, got it. There you go. No problem. No problem. All right, we'll go. We'll go the other way. She wanted more than that. I'm recording you. Got it! Go, 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 go! Oh yeah, that wide back tire helps. Yeah. Alright. Come on, let's see. Now when you get up it right at the start, you're gonna have to goose it. Make sure you're giving it some gas. Don't go too slow. Oh, come on. Yep, go ahead. I'll jump. Go, 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 go. Steering wheel back and forth, back and forth. There you go, look at that. Who said little four-wheeler can't make it through that? In big side-by-side. Mm-hmm. Good luck. See what happens. They have to pull me out.
You don't wait and check it first. Oh, that's nuts.
Alright, so this spot always looks very scary, intimidating. People try to go around over here, cut through here, make new trails around over there, come through here. When in actuality, this is not difficult at all, and she will show you in just a second when she figures out how to put it in reverse. Now, as long as she doesn't roll over nothing. It doesn't matter, it's hard bottom, you're good. See, nothing to it. Stock on 28s, no lift, easy.
I expected that one right there.
Alright, here she is again, trying to get past this colossal bunch of mess. Just go through the tree. Show it who's boss. Well, how did the other people go that way? Alright, well you might have to, Shelby, come up to here then and back up and line yourself up. I don't want you hitting that at an angle. Come on. All you got it. Just a mud bath if you... Okay, well just come on. You're in 1/4 gear. Done it. Steering wheel, steering wheel, steering wheel. Pretty close.
Can we back up and try again?
If you can back up, I'm not too positive you're going to be able to back up.
I'm going to get more stuck if I do that.
Yep, alright. Well, that's a fairly sticky, nasty hole there.
My shoe is slippery.
Look, you got to wiggle, put him, look, do your front tires big back and forth. It's power steering, you should be able to do that. Look, you got to have your gas going though. Are you in 1?
Yes.
Alright, so gas.
It's not going anywhere.
I just wanted to see if you'd do it. Okay. There you go. That's the hole just got pulled out of. Probably should have filmed the hole getting out of it. That would have been good. But yeah, that's why you bring all your stuff. And now we get to watch them get out. Oh yeah. You were a lot of help, Shelby.